Hi, this is Professor Beth Goring. I wanted to give you a quick overview of how our course is set up in Canvas. So if you go to contracosta.instructure.com, it'll take you to our dashboard. Once you get to the dashboard, you'll click on our course, which is Kinesiology 201, and it'll take you to our homepage. Our homepage just has some information about it, my office hours, and then it has a Get Started button. If you click on the Get Started button, it takes us to the modules page. And there's quite a bit of information here. I emailed you this email orientation. Here's your first assignment for Flipgrid. Make sure that you download the Flipgrid app. And it's free, so download it to your phone, to your iPad, to your home computer to make sure that that system runs in the background. And then if you have a Mac computer, make sure that you read this information about a Mac and how to make some changes to your computers to allow you to use that Flipgrid app. All right, how our course is set up in Canvas is right here. That's what you're watching now. I also have some course policies, communication policies, navigation, student resources. I have student resources here. I also have Comet Support Hub student resources there. If you have any problems with Canvas or with logging into Insight or using your Insight username and password, please contact tech support. They're excellent. Here's some computer requirements to use Canvas. Make sure that your computer is up to par. This is some information about how to upload your research paper and to turn it in. Here's some more information about Mac. And if you are using a Mac and Pages document creator, that how to turn your Pages document into a Word doc or a PDF. The system won't open Pages documents. Here's some information about how to use your webcam and so forth. All right, next we have a syllabus module. And in the syllabus module, I sent you the information about the syllabus orientation video. It's just a short video, and we just go through the syllabus itself. Here's the syllabus. Here's your syllabus quiz. This is also due the first day. So this is due the first day, and then the student meet and greet, which is up above in the previous module. Here's some information about how to respond to a discussion and also how to respond to a classmate. So there's some expectations for how you're going to respond and the quality of your work. So please review this sample of both of these. And then also there's a discussion, response, and grading rubric. So make sure that you look at the rubric so you understand how I grade. Here you're going to be responsible for a research paper, and so this is the grading rubric for that research paper. Next we have our different chapter modules. So if you click on the first chapter module, you'll see I always try to put the objectives and introduction at the beginning. Then I put the PowerPoint slides with an opportunity to write notes on the side, and then here's just the straight PowerPoint slides, and then it starts the different lectures. So for chapters 1 and 2, I actually have lots of little short videos, lectures, and excuse me, they're not video, they're audio lectures. So this one may be 5 minutes, 7 minutes, 10 minutes. This one's actually longer. I think it's about 20 minutes or 25 minutes, right? And so if you click on them, it'll take you to this, and then you'll just click on it.
This lecture is about types of joints. Some joints, it's also called arthroses.
All right, so that's that. These are MP4 videos or lectures, audio lectures, and so you can listen to them when you're driving your car. You can listen to them, when you're sitting eating at the table, right? I don't have the picture that I'm talking about, so you want to look through your textbook and find that picture to actually look at to see what I'm talking about. All right, and then I have a little video of a classification of joints. It's an automated video, so that's pretty cool. Then I have this practice materials, and if you click on it, it takes you to a website outside of it, and so there's some study materials there. And then here's your chapter 1 quiz. All right, then we go to the next module, which is the second one on nerves. And in this one, you can see again that I have the objectives in the introduction. We have the PowerPoints, and then we have some audio lectures. And then these MP4 lectures are about muscle names, muscle contractility, roles, nerves, motor units, and tension, this type of information. Again, there's another, I don't know why it keeps popping like that. There's another quiz down here at the bottom, and then we have some practice quizzes here and there. Then there's chapter 3, same thing. We have the objectives and introduction. We have PowerPoint slides, and then I just have one lecture. So this lecture is going to be longer. It may be an hour, but you can break it down yourself. Maybe you listen for 10 minutes and then mark down where you stopped in terms of time, and then come back to that time, fast forward, come back to that time. I have some other practice material video here, and then another quiz. All right. So I've tried to set up each module the exact same way. This particular module is your research project. I have some instructions here on what's expected from you with your research project. Here's the actual grading rubric again, and here's the Dropbox, and here's your presentation. The presentation is a Flipgrid. It's only about 3 minutes long, and it has specific information that you're going to talk about, like what was your topic, what are the 3 things that you learned about your topic that are most interesting, why did you choose this topic, and what can be done to help you improve your body as related to that topic. And then we continue down into the other modules. The last module is a posture and gait analysis. This information is not in your text. I have actually provided the information for you here. So you're going to go ahead and go through all this information. You're going to watch these videos, and then there's a discussion at the base here that you'll need to complete. One about gait analysis and one about posture discussion. Down here, I just have some glossary of terms in case that you come across a term and you're unfamiliar with it, that you can go ahead and look in there and find it. Over here on the left, we have again the COMET Support Hub, which takes you to a lot of support services. We want you to be successful, and so we provide these different services for you on campus. If you have you want to create a study group with other students in class, then here's an opportunity for you to connect with other students and talk about things. This is student-to-student interaction. Student question and answer forum. This is where you can ask questions, and then anybody, either another student or myself, I can click in there, see if anybody's posted anything. Announcements. I have announcements for you. I will put them out regularly, like every week. The announcements will be available to you throughout the entire term of the class. If I include a video in the announcements, when the announcement is emailed to you, it doesn't include the video. You're going to have to come back into the course, click on the announcements, find that particular announcement, and then click on it to look at the video. I've just noticed that that's what happens. Here's your modules page, which we have been going through. Here's where you can keep track of your grades, so you can see what assignments you've completed, what you scored on them, and what is still left to be done. If you need access to librarians, here's an access. If you need tutors, here's NetTutor. Here's my online office hour, and again, I explained that you have to use the single service online single sign-in option. Anyway, it's the SSO option in order to access it. Here's a Wellness Central again for more student support services. So I hope this helps you understand how our course is set up in Canvas. If you have any questions, please email me at bgoring@contracosta.edu. All right, see you online.